It's going to be a pretty quick video on the Superior electric little heater that doesn't exactly work as a heater. The coil is broke somewhere in here. There it is, right there. As you can see that. It's broke off there. So it doesn't heat anymore. It's just basically a fan. But it's pink, like that 50's pink that you see in bathrooms. I don't know the model number, it should have one. But I'm not seeing one on there. I don't see a model number anywhere. Oh, here we go. Manufactured by Superior Electric Products Corporation. Colorado, Missouri, 60 cycles. Model 60D, 11320 watts. So ironically, this is less watts than a modern space heater. Those are usually 1500. This is only 1320. Which isn't that bad. But like I said, the heating part doesn't exactly work on it. So, you know. But the fan works, so we're going to plug it in here. Doesn't put out any heat because of the elements are broke. Just sits there and spins. I suppose it would put out decent heat, or good heat, if the heating elements work. Plug it there. But yeah, here's a short little video on the Superior electric heater from most likely the 50's. I hope you enjoyed. And thanks for watching.